Hello LEGO builders, in this video I will showcase a MILS compatible module of my own design that was used in the Cactus Brick Western display during the 2018 Phoenix Comic Fest. The new module type is specifically for desert MILS landscapes and fits right in as the Western town's main street. First I'll walk through some building ideas and then we'll get into how to make one. The desert MILS is like the standard MILS module, just with tan plates instead of green to represent the dry, arid desert topsoil. This type of MILS is great for building a western town, Star Wars planet, ancient Egyptian pyramids, or post-apocalyptic scene. You'll need the same parts that are used to make a standard MILS module, but using tan and dark tan instead of green plates. Because of this, building a desert MILS has traditionally been more difficult because of the scarcity of tan bricks in LEGO sets. However, more and more plates of different colors are making their way onto the LEGO Pick-a-Brick walls, so you might check it out, see what you can find. In addition, you'll need different items to decorate your MILS that are appropriate for the desert scene. This could include brown bushes, palm trees, cactus, dead trees, and rocks. The desert road that I designed has a few differences from the standard MILS dirt road. First is the color. Since normal roads are tan colored, I used dark tan to highlight the more traveled areas. Second, the road is about 16 studs wide with an 8 stud border as opposed to the 8 stud wide and 12 stud borders of the normal dirt road. Third, the road is placed one plate lower than the standard road. I found this makes it easier to build since you don't have to line up the road with the rest of the terrain. At this point, you start covering the sides of the road with tan plates, and we can see the benefit of having the road one plate lower. Now, instead of having to use a lot of small dark tan plates to create the random edge of the road, we can use normal tan and we don't have to use any dark tan. By alternating the placement of the tan back and forth, it appears that the road has a random edge instead of a straight line. You will need the same road types with the desert MILS as you had with the standard MILS. For example, the straight section, the curved section, and 3- and 4-way intersections. One thing to note is that desert scenes can be built as standalone scenes or along with other MILS sections. If you're building a desert section next to a green section, I would recommend having some transition MILS at the border where they gradually change from tan to green so you don't have this stark tan line. That's all I have for now on the desert MILS. I hope this helps you build your own desert scenes, and I look forward to seeing your pictures on the internet. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.